In this video I'll be showing you how to make modifications to your home page. So if we were to go out to your home page, then I'll show you the specific areas that you're able to modify. This first portion is your slideshow, and I'll show you how to change slide as well as the information that's on the slide. So if you go into your dashboard, hover over Do What Of, and then select Slideshow. Take a moment to load because there's a lot of pictures. Okay, so go to Current Slides. I believe I have two different slideshows set up here for you. We're currently using the photo slider. That's what I've named it. First thing to show you is that you can modify the order. You just click on them and drag and drop, and then it'll let you know if it successfully reordered them. I like this one, so I'm going to put it back up at the top. Now if you want to edit it, click on the little pencil underneath Edit. And you can see that it is associated with the photo slider, which is the name of the slideshow that's currently playing. Here's the slide title. The second one doesn't show up on there, but I leave it on there just in case you want to change your slideshow, because that second title does show up in some different variations. Here's the description. You can use HTML elements in here, like lists, unordered and ordered lists, making things bold, or adding in headers if you wanted to. But in this specific slide we don't have that. Slide image is here. You need to add the URL to the slide. If you want to add a new slide, go into Media, and then you'll get the uploader. Click on Add New, and then you'll choose a file and then upload it. You need to make sure the dimensions are correct. It has to be 640 pixels wide by 340 pixels in height. That way it shows up properly in this box. It will crop it and resize it to fit the box, but if you really want to get a good look and feel to it, you should try and resize it ahead of time. You can crop it here if you can't quite get it the way you need it before uploading. And just leave it at crop on the top. The target type is what you want it to do when someone clicks on it. Right now we have a URL, and this leads them to the shopping cart. So we're trying to just convert their click into an order. So that's what the Read More button does here. When you click on it, it'll take them to the shopping cart. And then you just click Update Slide to change it. And that's how you update your slideshow. The next part I'll show you how to do is changing your business information here, as well as the tabbed boxes here. So if you go back into your admin and you go and you just click on the main Do What Of, you'll see all these different options here. Click on FrontPage, which is in between General Settings and Slideshow. You have two home pages here. We're currently using this home page, but if you wanted to in the future, you could set something up for holidays or some sort of theme, like a red background for Valentine's Day or something to that effect. Okay, so the intro paragraph. This information is the information that you see right here, and you can change that here. You can use HTML elements here again, and you need to make sure that you don't use double quotes, and by double quotes I mean this. You want to use this, because when it reads this in here, it'll conflict with the double quotes in the code that's already there, and it won't show up properly. So if you are going to use HTML elements and you need to use quotes, use single quotes here. Okay, so that's the intro paragraph. If you want to use the tabs, which is what we are using currently, you'll just click on tabs, and you can see it's enabled and it's set up for the full width, which makes it span the entire width of the content. This is the main title of the tab boxes. Here's the headers. And then here is the information that resides in each box. And again, you can use HTML elements. You can see this is a header. If you wanted to wrap something with a header, you just add H4 and then close the tag H4. You can go from H1 to H6, I believe, and they decrease in size from 1 to 6, with 6 being the smallest. Okay, so that is how you change your tabbed boxes. I'll have another video showing you how to update your footer as well as your header later on.